Ciao a tutti! In this new video we're gonna take care of our good old daily CRV. But before starting, two words. So this is the first video totally in English. I'm trying to do it from now on, so every video after this will be like this one. So don't bash me too hard, because English is not my main language. I may struggle a bit, I may be in a loss of words, but I will try to be the best as I can. And yeah, probably I will improve over video. So the more video I put out, the better my English will be. So bear with me. What are we doing today? We are gonna try to get the CRV some love, because that's my daily. I use it every day from home to work, and from doing all the stuff. I put a lot of garbage in the back, and you know, that kind of stuff. So we're doing an oil change plus filter, fuel filter, air filter. I'm not doing the cabin filter because I did it 2 years ago, and pretty sure it's still kind of clean. Then we're gonna address the front brakes. We got calipers, rotors, pads, and new liquid, because the one in there is very dark, and I bet it's the one that came from Honda 25 years ago. And after that, we got a new thing that arrived from Spain a few days ago. Bought it from an online marketplace. Pretty excited about this, because it's gonna be a mod that transform the usage of the CRV, because from the first moment I bought it, it had something that bothered me so much that I was getting so mad at it, but I couldn't find anything to get it better. But finally, after some research, I got this one. You're gonna see in the last part of the video if it works. If it doesn't, well, fuck it. I'm gonna crack on it and we see what kind of oil we take out from the car. In the end, I had to put some planks under the tires, because yeah, the car is high, but I couldn't move my arms around to break loose the bolt on the oil pan. So while the oil is draining, it's pretty dark in here, so it didn't have the car an easy life, but it's still going. So yeah, all cool. By the way, I don't know you guys, but the people who just write down on the valve cover the timing chain and all that kind of stuff bother me so much. I mean, why would you do that? Put a sticker in here somewhere, in the car book, whatever, on here. What the fuck? Not right in your face here. Everything is black and you write with a white pencil. The fuck. By the way, the car needs a timing belt work, so I never did once in my life. I don't know if I want to start with it. I collected all the stuff for already, mostly on the stuff, so I need to be sure that the car is reliable, the stuff I put on is okay. I don't want to mess around with that kind of situations. So yeah, I'll have to decide what to do. If I try it myself or give it to a garage, I don't know. But in the meantime, while the oil is draining, I took out the air filter, which is kinda dirty. This is they changed it 1 year ago, something more. I mean, it looks alright, or well, it looks like they changed it, which is alright, but it's kinda dark. I don't know. And the intake system on this car is pretty huge. Here is the throttle, the tube, which is kinda torn apart here, so I'll have to find another one or ditch all this stuff and put a big pod filter with the straight tube in here and fuck it, because this is the airbox, which is huge, and it goes under. There's another part down there, is enormous. I never seen something like this my whole life on any car, I don't know. So yeah, this is kind of shit. We're going for a blueprint one, which I hope is better, and I hope it's the right one, because I don't know. Yeah, the sizes are alright. It's a different style, I have to admit, but as long as it goes right in there, I'm fine with it. So I'm gonna give it a clean, because there were a few leaves in here. I'm gonna clean it alright, put it the filter, close it up, check if the oil is drained, put it all back together. Okay, oil change done. Everything went pretty smoothly, aside from the oil filter, which is in a weird location. It's basically on the back on the engine, under the intake manifold, and you can only access it from under the car, but it's not a straight shot. There are all sorts of things in the way. This is done. Let's move on to the brakes. So we're gonna change both pads and rotors on the front, and we are doing an brake fluid flush too, because I'll let you see the one that's in there. So as you can see, it's between min and max level, but it's so freaking dark. I don't know if you can see through the cam, but yeah, it's shit. So yeah, I need to flash it, or it's gonna pop, keep popping the brake light on the dashboard on the cold mornings, and that's pretty annoying for me. So yeah, we're doing that. Okay, so here's the disc I took out from the right side. It's very deep, so I mean, not too much honestly, but yeah, it's uneven. Here is a little deep, here is more. I doubt you can see from the camera, but I can feel it on my finger. It was stuck on very hard. I had to use M8 bolts to push it out, pull him out. Sorry. Hello, Holly. And the pads were gone. Basically gone. Almost nothing left. They were very squeaky. So yeah, good thing we changed them. I don't know, I can't see which kind of pad are these, but yeah. So yeah, put some grease even on the sliding pins, so it should be alright. Now I'm jumping on the other side before it's lunchtime. It took me a while because this mofo was really stuck on. I used the hammer, I used everything, and nothing worked. My last option was the bolts, which did work. So I'm probably jump on this side to do the bolt solution as first. Completed the brake job, and here's brake fluid I took out from the car. Yeah, it's not even clear anymore. It's like, I don't know, it's green, dark green. Well, that's it. So good thing we changed it. Let's try to do something later. Check the car, we turn it on and see if the brake light pops up on the dashboard, and if it doesn't, we're cool. Pretty sure it doesn't. So as said before, this is the last thing we're gonna put on the car, and it's a cool thing for me because you're gonna see why I'm gonna change it. Yes, the package came all the way from Spain, and I bought it from Wallapop, if you know the app. Lately I've been searching a lot of stuff on Wallapop because it's a weird marketplace. You can find anything, especially from Spain. Yeah, this popped up, and took the chance and bought it. It was 50 euros shipped to Italy, and here it is. It's a steering wheel. I mean, it's from a 99 Honda Civic, and is all leather, very good condition. It's not torn, doesn't have scratches, it's not destroyed or used. I mean, it is used, but not that much. I don't know if it's exactly plug and play on the CRV. I think it is, because it look very similar, if not identical, to the one on the car. And yeah, let's go there and see. Let's compare them one to the other. Here's my wheel. It's not leather, it's just plastic, and it's very worn out, especially on the top. It's like shit, really. I always wanted to change it, but I never find one in good condition. All the one I looked were similar to this one, and not one was in leather. They were all plastic like this one, and I didn't like them. So I don't know about you guys, but it looks the same. It's the same, come on. If I'm lucky, the spline should be the same. I don't know, but there is only one way to find out. So we're gonna pop the hood, disconnect the battery, because I don't want the airbag to pop in my face, and let's disassemble the actual steering wheel, and let's see if we can transfer the central part with the airbag to this one and put this on the CRV. So here we are. Fits like a glove. By the way, 90s Honda are just so cool to work on because one, they're easy to work with. Everything is simple. You got manuals online you can rely to, so there is a lot of info on the forums, and everything fits everything. In my case, this is a leather steering wheel from a 1999 Honda Civic. I assume it's an EK, I don't know. And yeah, it bolts right on. Easy as that. 3 bolts, steering wheel out, new wheel in, just transfer the connectors and you're done. That's it. Oh, this is better. It's bulkier, bigger, and I can touch it. I don't feel ashamed of driving with the steering wheel all destroyed. Yeah, very cool. I like it. Now I'm gonna drive the car around the block to see if everything is alright, if the steering wheel is alright, if the car, the new oil, all that stuff goes okay, if the brakes are alright, but it should be all cool. That's all the work for today. Took me all the morning, and yeah, the most annoying thing was the oil filter location and the rotors that wouldn't come off easily, but after that it all went pretty smooth. And yeah, I like this wheel. I like it a lot. I know it's a daily, so it's probably not worth it, but for me it is. And this is the steering wheel I touch every day for 5 days a week. So yeah, I need it to be touchable. If you like the video, remember to subscribe and like it, and yeah, share it with all your friends. If you have anything to say, the comment section down below, so you're free to comment. And I'll see you on the next video. I don't know what we'll do in the next one. I have some pretty cool stuff to install on the Swift, but I'm waiting on some little bits, and I don't want to start a job and stop halfway because I miss something. That's the most annoying thing in the world. We need to address the brakes and all the suspensions, arms, bushes, and all that cool little stuff. But it takes some time and a lot of money, and yeah. Like I said before, the video is done. See you on the next one. Bye bye everyone. Ciao ciao.